Hey guys, Christina Steinberg here. I am probably your Superstar Director. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an introduction about what you can expect out of this program. This is called Lead to Lead, and you are here because you're either an essential or a certified consultant or even a lead consultant who wants to learn how to hit lead, stay at lead, maintain your numbers, and grow from that point. So, for essential and certified consultants, you're going to end up, by the end of the course, fingers crossed, adding at least one person to your team, learning what it's like to stabilize your PRV, and then, of course, hitting that promotion. If you are a lead consultant, what I'm hoping that we're going to do here is help you get organized, help you stabilize your PRV, and then how to get paid at title every single month. And for some of you, maybe adding a new person to your team if you don't have anyone anymore. So, hope you're all excited. This is a self-driven course. If you are here, you are already driven in some way, right? But there's not going to be official grading, but I will give you some details about what we're going to do as far as how to know if you're doing well, not doing well, and things like that as we go. First of all, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's important about being a lead consultant. Why would you want to hit lead consultant? First of all, essential and certified. If you're an essential consultant, you're only getting paid 20% right now. Once you hit certified, you get your 25% commissions, which is your 5% raise for life. As a lead consultant, you start getting paid on your team. If you don't have a team yet, you're not really sure what the purpose of this is yet, but I did want to tell you another perk or a few about being a lead consultant. The biggest perk that you have as a lead consultant is you get put in the consultant finder. Why do we wait till lead consultant before you're in the consultant finder? Mostly just because we want to make sure that you're somebody who's all in, who's super committed, and if you get a contact request from somebody, you respond to it. Because you are working your business. So Scentsy reserves our consultant locator, our random person finder for lead and above, because they want to make sure that if customers are brand new, trying Scentsy for the first time, and they're reaching out for a consultant, that they're going to be met with someone who's working their business actively and excited to help them. Not saying that essential and certified consultants aren't excited, but they tend to be the most revolving door positions in the company. So they wanted to make sure it's somebody who's obviously working and things like that. And the only way that they can gauge that is by title. So that's the only way they could level the playing field. So you want to hit leads, so you can be in the consultant finder. I get random PWS orders all the time. Several of our lead and hire consultants who get paid at title will also let you know that they do get random website orders for the most part from Scentsy.com. So it's pretty exciting. It's a nice way to earn a little extra money. So you get lead consultant, you get a few extra orders once in a while, possibly, or at least a chance at them. And then also, as a lead consultant and hire, like I said, you get paid on your team. Another bonus is that sometimes during incentive trips, you get paid at title points based on your starting title, and lead consultants and hire are the only ones eligible for those paid at title points. So there's lots of benefits to building a team and growing up with Scentsy. So lead consultant's a pretty cool title. Also, it puts you in like the top 20% of the company. So bragging rights, another benefit to lead consultant. I literally, there we go. Next. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about more of the course itself. So every single day, you're going to want to make sure you check this page. Please subscribe to notifications. If this group is annoying you, you're probably not ready for the course. If notifications from this group are something you don't want, again, you're probably not ready for the course. So please subscribe to notifications for this group. If you go up there and you click on join and the drop down, you'll have the option to change your settings there. So each day there will be a post, and we'll have off days. So you're going to get to rest on the weekend for the most part. And then Monday through Friday, you're going to have your tasks. You're going to have 15 to 20 minute activities. They're not much. I'm only going to assign you things that I know are beneficial to your business. There's not going to be busy work. It's not going to be fluff. It's all going to be important things that you need to either be forming habits and doing, or just doing period to further and advance your business. I want to lay down some ground rules. Like I said, this is self-driven. So as a courtesy, If you are just happening upon this group and the course is already started by like a week, if you could just wait and join us for the next course. Another thing is, if you can, please don't jump in the middle of the course. Complete the whole course that you have chosen to participate in from start to finish. And then if you miss 3 assignments, you have up to 3. After your third, you're probably not getting out of the course what you could be if you were fully participating. So I would just kind of bow out and then try again the next round so you can do it from start to finish without missing anything. These are just courtesy. I'm not going to be policing this. Your sponsor, your director, I'm hoping will keep you accountable for what you're doing in this course, and you can communicate with them and things like that to make sure that they know what you want out of it, where you're struggling, and what's going on in your life so that they can help you balance all of it. The reason that it's really important to put a time frame on these assignments is because you've got to get used to working your business daily. As somebody who wants to build a business, which is why you're here, right? You want to make a little extra money. You want to get the most out of what you've signed up for. It's going to take time. No matter what, it's always going to take time. And if you can start getting in the habit of working on your business 15 to 20 minutes daily or 45 minutes to an hour every other day, you're going to get so much more out of it. So it's super important that you start those habits now before you have a team, so that when you do have a team, you're already in the habit of working your business every single day. So the 15 to 20 minute activities and then the 24 to 48 hours to finish these activities is a super crucial part of this program. It's not because I'm being hard or stingy or whatever. It's because this will help you gauge whether or not you even have time to be building a business right now. There's different reasons people join Scentsy, and one of them might just be a little extra money as an essential or certified consultant. Somebody who does want to become a lead consultant is interested in prioritizing their business to a degree and giving it a little more than they've been giving it so far. So if that's not you, you may not be ready to leap to lead, but that doesn't mean you won't be ready in 7 weeks or in 14 weeks or whenever we run the program again. We're going to be running this program every 7 weeks for 5 weeks all year. So at any point, you're welcome to join in on the program at those start dates, which in this group are listed in the events area. So if you would like to pick a different course date, start date, go for it. But if you don't think that you can give your business a little bit of attention every single day in this season of your life, it's totally fine. But you may not enjoy this course. So I just wanted to put that out there. But there's a purpose for making it required and giving you tasks to do every day, because it's just a habit that you're going to want to start getting into. And honestly, if you're truly honest with yourself, you can find 15 to 20 minutes of a day that you're wasting that you could probably squeeze Scentsy in. If you need to talk to one of us who has done that, and that's how we built our business, because we were working 70 to 80 hours a week and we were raising babies and crazy stuff like that. There's a lot of us in here who found ways to squeeze it in. If you need help finding areas in which you can do that, because it is important to you, but you just don't know how you can do it yet, reach out to your director, reach out to your sponsor, reach out to me, and we'll help you make a day plan. So I want you to, when this is over, create like a group message on Facebook with you, your sponsor, and your director. I want you to let them know that you're doing the course this round, and I want you to keep them updated on your homework, what you're doing, how you're enjoying it, and just keep in contact with them. Again, this is self-driven. If you need them to keep you accountable, let them know, and if they offer to, that's awesome. But just keep them in the loop of what you're trying to accomplish with this and how you're doing. Another thing I want you to do is, again, if you realize it's not the right time halfway through the course, bow out and try again next course, but do it from start to finish. Don't start where you left off. Make sure you do it from start to finish if you start over. So next, I want you guys, like I said, check this page daily, turn on those notifications. Like I said, if getting notifications once or twice a day from this group is going to annoy you, you're probably not ready for the course. Because if it's your business, it's your moneymaker, and this is something that you're going to have happen a lot more. You're going to get notifications and messages from team members a lot more. You're going to get texts at crazy, weird times. Again, it's just preparing you for keeping your head in the game and learning how to juggle your business with your life. Another thing is this course, we're going to work on making weak things strong. So if you don't think you have what it takes, we're going to be working on that. Everything in life can be learned. No one is born with direct sales experience. No one is born knowing how to make flyers. No one's born knowing how to talk to people. It's things we learn the more we do them. So make sure that you are open-minded as you're going through this course. Don't let things that you keep telling yourself you're not good at be your stumbling blocks, when at any point you can change your story. You can decide you're going to be good at something simply by trying to learn it and practicing it and putting it into play. So don't forget that everything can be learned. And then also, like I said, we're going to be teaching you things along the way. Just make sure your head is in the game with us. So here's the important part of the video. This is your challenge. This is your first homework assignment for today. It should take 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Super, super easy. And you're going to comment below when you've done it and show us your work. Just take a picture with your phone. I want you to grab 10 catalogs, and I want you to label those catalogs anywhere you want them. It doesn't have to be a catalog. It can be a showcase brochure. It can be anything. It can be an old catalog, just something. Preferably a new catalog. But we're going to go ahead and get started with what you have. And then I want you to grab any extra testers you have. Some of you are newer and you won't have extra testers. So if you can, next time you place a party order, throw on a transition tester set, or talk to your sponsor or your director. A lot of us have tons of extra testers. So, and we can help you out with this. It's super easy. I just want you guys to get a few groups of 10 testers. Grab 10 catalogs and label them, and then make as many sets of 10 testers as you can. Put them in a Ziploc, put them in a cute little pencil pouch, whatever you want to do. Just get groups of 10 testers and 10 catalogs labeled. And make sure your 10 testers are somewhat of a variety. Make it as even as possible. And that is all you need to do for homework today. Super easy, right? I told you, these are just going to be little tasks, things that don't take much of your time, but will take a prioritization on your part. So 10 catalogs, label them, grab some testers, sets of 10, as many sets of 10 as you can make with the testers you have. We're nearing the end of a season, so feel free to break up a basket party. And you're going to need these catalogs and these testers for challenges later in the week. With that said, I hope you guys have an awesome day.